top part, hè? It's the neck there. So it's the best part of the wool.
Hi. Hello.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Hello.